What's the meaning of bash? Bash. Bash.
Bash. Bash. The term bash can be used in a few different ways, but generally it refers to an aggressive or forceful strike or attack, or more informally, a wild or raucous party. In computing, bash, with a capital B, is also the name of a popular Unix shell, which is a command-line interface used to interact with the operating system. This shell is known for its powerful scripting capabilities and flexibility. Bash scripts can automate common tasks, execute complex operations, and perform various system administration functions. Overall, bash can refer to physical violence, energetic celebration, or computer programming, depending on the context.